All right. Welcome to multivariable calculus. Hopefully you can see me up there, but that's me. Hi. Along with the email that I'm sending you to kind of detail how things are going to go in the class, I wanted to make sure and just show you the course page here, just so that you get a good footing on how things are going to look and where they're going to be. So when you first come in, there's going to be this general information up at the top, and that'll be there each time you log in. You can see as we come down, we've got just kind of an intro, who I am, main goals of the semester, a funny joke, if you remember how to do differentiation, and then some explanations of the course. So that's reading that you have to do to start. A small note on credit that you'll see more about later. You can get college credit for this course. Make sure that you do look through this information, and if you know where you're going to be going to college, or even if you have it narrowed down to a couple, get in touch with them and make sure they'll accept the credit, because I wouldn't want you to pay for it and then have your college say no. Most should accept it one way or another. Just make sure that you get in touch with your university on that idea right there. Okay, so the credit for the course right there. Make sure you get in touch and that they will accept it. Then there's more reading for you to do in this Start Here introductory information and syllabus. Read through all of that. Once you've done that, it'll check off right here that you've looked at it, and you will then be able to take this syllabus quiz. The syllabus quiz is for a grade, but you can take it as many times as you want. Hopefully, after taking it enough times, you're able to get 100%. Highlighting in there just the basic ideas of when homework is due, how much tests are worth, all those sorts of things, just as a way that we can actually point and say that you did know this stuff. Hopefully you're able to pay attention to the entire syllabus, but that quiz will highlight a few of the things. Then some links, helpful links and resources, a news forum. The news forum is just going to get used weekly when I send updates. So each Monday I'll just send a message out letting you know that the new week has started. Then there's this little widget that'll keep track of when homework is due. So you can see we've got an assignment due on Monday. Now, what is it going to look like on a week-to-week basis? So the way the course is structured is it's kind of self-paced, but not really. It'll get opened up 1 week at a time. Every Monday, I'll open up the following week. And then you can read through the syllabus on due dates. There's a student forum. So if you were to come into the week here, there's a student forum that's due Wednesday nights. So week 1, objectives for the week, context, more reading. Every week there'll be a little bit of reading. Introductions for week 1 since it's week 1, but here, student forums. So student forums are going to be any number of different things. You can see the first one's just kind of a fun one. What's your favorite math problem? That's part of your participation grade that's due on Wednesday nights. Then there will be actual homework due every week. The homework will always be due on Sunday nights. You will upload a PDF to the Moodle page. So whether you want to do your homework on an iPad or tablet and have it made into a PDF that way, or you can download free apps. I use one called Genius Scan, which can go on an iPad or a phone or Android, Apple, whatever, and you'll have to scan it that way to make your homework a PDF, and you will upload that to this Moodle page. You'll upload it for week 1A, which is due on the 11th. You'll upload it there. Week 1B is due on the 18th, and every week you'll upload that by Sunday night. And then every week there will be a quiz. 5 questions or less, mainly just looking at do you understand the basic ideas from the week. Those will be due Sunday night as well. And then you can see homework solutions will be made available to you once you've turned in your homework. So homework, I just want to see that you are doing the problems. I'm not grading homework for whether you're right or not. I just want to see that you're going through the process. And once you've turned it in, I open up the solutions to you so you can look at what you did, compare it to what I've done, and that's hopefully where the learning happens. As you're going through the process, I show you what I did, and you can clarify where your process was good and where it needs to be improved. And then there's going to be the weekly quiz where hopefully your process is more refined. You're able to get those questions. And then we will also have a midterm and a final exam that will be proctored at your school. Those are going to be obviously the big ticket items as far as your grade is concerned. And that's where you need to be honest with yourself from the beginning at the homework level, what you do and don't understand, especially because the nature of the course is predominantly self-motivated. So ideally, you avoid the trap of only becoming clear what you don't understand when you're taking the test, right? That's the bad time to find out what you don't understand. So the week-to-week setup is hopefully a good one that allows you to go through your process, refine your process, and then by the time we get to the test, we're good to go. I will have weekly office hours that you don't have to come to. It'll be office hours just like your professors will do in college, or maybe some of you have it in the high school level where you're just availability. Okay, so if during the week you've got questions on the homework, that'll be time that you can just log into an online meeting room and ask me some questions. That's all I've got. So you can see what the course page looks like. Hopefully that helps you feel like you've got a good footing. It will just involve a bit of you exploring it to find out all the nooks and crannies. But make sure that you email me any questions you've got along the way, especially if content-wise you're feeling a little lost. I can do a one-on-one meeting to make sure that you're feeling good to go. But that's the basic outline. Each week you go on the course page. I'll have videos and other things for you to look at along with the textbook to help you hopefully learn how to do the stuff piece by piece. So hopefully we get off to a good start.